we'll be back. I think Anthony financial. I'm going to look at this talking about it to interact. Have a question, a concern, something you require as soon as that social media at our smart handle that valid and also use financial for personal information. No, if you have a question, you can open. Of course, I'll leave a section, getting that, and I get what exactly is doing the Nairobi exchange Africa, one of the most markets in Africa. And you, of course, look inside the crop as a of risk. Don't want one, but to put in order, put run alarm after like you think you may invest. When you do your work for a market, but now and market this 1990 has a wealth of experience. Books you see listing them recently and are due to so and the performance to invest out of the also and inflation Kenyan election late factor on change affected vast. Also, they they actually week. Let's fact okay for giving 30 days what invest try to the local to invest in the stock market to see that they revive the very exuberant stock market that we know of. And definitely we saw some bit of movement there in the favor of the market due to that, but not quite significant as you would maybe have projected, having to do. Looking on the night but trading the trade with 24 and loser gainers T who led points and T yes still gain Venus to lose company said that is in this hectare land in east the limit is which is T Limited, which of course is government doing and still and the identity is identity number for AE035 and the is the fifth most the stock with a of billion for the stock. Starting we are seeing ratio 0.5 negative. The price to 4.1. The share are 2 market 1 billion. This company green that going looking at the company week by the and it has 18% in the gained 1.6 so gained 1.3% in the year, looking at percent, while year-to-date performance is a 31%. All these are increments. This value, this stock is seen to be one of the that really very now. We closed the last trading day at a price of 420 a share, according 1 daily over its closing price 105. Done with the 100 and gained 31.3% price, making it second on the Ghana change in time. Yet that Limuru going the stock has accrued 18% over the 4-week period, the best on the securities exchange. Limuru is the 55th traded stock on the exchange over the past 3 years. And he has about 12 deals and valued each at the total valued at 0.4 in Kenya, with 100 trade share session and a high 1,100, which June last for the same. The performance here we are seeing 100 shares on 14th of July and 100 shares on 13th, about 2,900 shares on the 21st of. So the company issuers of the MTC on the Uganda is a number of competitors engaged in consumer goods sector on the market, and of course some Tea Kenya Limited, Chorwa Tea Company, Eager Kenya Limited, British American Tobacco of Kenya, and so about competitors here for Limuru company, the exchange. Regarding the particular that, of course, growth period. The company in long stock limit not comes to appreciation value also ventures at 39 at close and 1% in Nairobi change 4% and using the with the it can also this change neutralize and on its is not uh, with after they are in 2014 they can verify had by one started currently is actually, if not the most valuable, the most in the Kenyan, and of course company is in provision of SMS, voice, data, internet, and M-Pesa. Also device, handsets, mobile broadband modems, routers, tablets. They have not laptops. The range of pricing plan of prepaid, postpaid. Safaricom of services bundled with SMS data services with video and so on. And as I said, Nairobi changed on the 9th June. Trades symbol. Currently, it is the number one. This number one valuable stock, Nairobi Securities Exchange, with a market capitalization 1.8 billion, 0.2 billion shillings, and that was in you're talking about over 4 which is about 7% the entire market capitalization Nairobi Securities Exchange. So the very portion of Nairobi over of particular it is something you can add there. Now the end of day performance day on it was 32.05 per share, recording 6.8% gain over the period of 30 Ugandan shilling, and with the price of 39 percent, 7.5, but value the in terms of 8%. Fears are the 20 of Safari share June best stock, one best performance. First, most stock it is past month, that 8th 14th 22. Safaricom had a total volume of over 570 shares, that is in 20,840 deals, valued 15 billion Kenyan shillings over that. and a volume of 36.1 million achieved on 24 of 108,700 on the May the 5th of particular elite Safaricom, but he was among the gainers yesterday. Also, Kenya, who gained 1. We are looking for Fahari Income Services, 0.2%. However, on the losing side, come out with an end of day. Total Kenya came out last with an depreciation of 3.7, 3.1 Kenyan shillings per share, followed by East African Portland Cement Company, 3.17% loss, while at 2% lost, and then Longhorn Publishers at 1%. There are 15 losers, and definitely drove the market, where KCB Group recorded a volume at 4.5 million shares that were traded yesterday. He was followed by Power and Company with over 3.14 million shares. Safaricom came in third place at 2.8 million shares that were traded, while Cooperative Bank of Kenya at 1.6 million that were traded came in fourth place. And regarding the performance of the index, that is the index for the Nairobi exchange, on the screen there, they up by 1.115 points, and it closed with points of about 144.58 points, and that is of course representing a one gain of 7 gain 0.1%, but an overall year-to-date performance of about 1.4. Meaning, regarding the 1 week, 3 weeks performance, the exchange yesterday rounds as compared to and the previous weeks as well. Marketable indices that performed were E20, monitoring the top companies at 2% daily gain and 2.69% 1 week gain and 10.95% year-to-date loss. When we talk about date, we are period from January to the present date. So we are looking at January to the July, and that's what we mean by the year-to-date performance. That gives you into the Nairobi Stock Exchange. Brokers are very flexible when it comes to the stock market, and you limited where and you this week we hosted Dyer and Blair stock brokers, and of course they mentioned that they can access securities from Nairobi Stock Exchange, Dar es Salaam Stock Exchange, Uganda Exchange, the Rwanda Stock Exchange. So you don't have you across East Africa. Altex also gives you that opportunity. However, for him, he gives it to you to do it on your own. So if you feel you've mastered the game and you don't need no intermediates, you can now use Altex East Africa's new initiative called Zabu, whereby dialing *292#, you will be able to access securities across East Africa and be able to participate in this trading. Of course, today the market is open from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. here in Uganda, and the markets close on Friday and open on Monday. Again, they don't open on weekends, and definitely we will not be monitoring their performance on the weekends. But right now, trading is happening. And it's up to you to open that smartphone, get into the US, approach an S and get ground. That is to actually get to invest in stock. I think with that into a, but then later we interview with who is of Uganda security. Some very on this show, we are going to give you that and inspired. If you missed time to come, sure you friend and had to see the common person, the student, the this is all about. Thank you very much. With us is Anthony Sabali. I'll catch you next week. Same at exactly. I hope you have a wonderful week for now.